Hey guys, it's me, Bluebird, and also Blackbird actually said I could start my own series called, The Adventures of Bluebird. Anyways, I don't have a script. He doesn't have one either. But anyways, troll! You guys actually think I would freaking let him copy a freaking series that I made? No, I trolled him. What? Yeah, that's right. You just got trolled, Bluebird. Yeah, wait. Where did he go? Hold on, guys. Bluebird, where are you? That was a tough throw. How did I throw him like that? Jesus, where is he? Bluebird, oh, found him. Okay. Dude said, you directly said that I could start my own series. I trolled you. You don't know what troll means. It means a freaking weird looking monster. No, it means like freaking pranking somebody. Get up here. Oh God. So, you are a retard for falling for that.